Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing video and teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, we're in the month of October, and as most of you know, it's that type of spooky Halloween theme I'm working on right now. So as you can see, this is going to be a little Reaper, just his head, no body. Just a simple head. I just want to basically have a close-up of the character versus having the whole body, which we'll be following with the next video actually. So if you take a look at this one, the second one following will be one more with the body. Anyways, what should I say right now, what I normally do? That's right. You know it. If you have a pencil and paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.